Hi, my name is Diana and this is our home. We needed a roof replacement, so we hired Istueta Roofing to come and walk us through the process. We were very satisfied with the entire process, not just from the standpoint of the actual labor and the work, but also, the managing team being present every day to guide us through all the steps. The entire process didn't take over a week, which was pretty shocking. To us, that was very fast. One of the main details that we really liked is that they cleaned up every day after finishing, and we did not have to come outside and pick up anything, so that was amazing. We highly recommend Istueta Roofing to all our family and friends. We are very thankful for the company and for the project manager, Antoni Duen, for guiding us through the entire thing. Thank you.